Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Airbus and SkyFall sign strategic alliance to advance Ukrainian drone innovation and European air defense. Airbus Defense and Space and Ukrainian defense technology company SkyFall have signed a memorandum of understanding at the International Aerospace Exhibition in Berlin. The agreement launches a strategic partnership focused on European and Ukrainian defense innovation. The signing took place in the presence of German Federal Minister of Defense Boris Pistorius. Airbus said the partnership combines Western defense expertise with Ukraine's combat-proven technological agility. SkyFall is described as a drone pioneer combining rapid prototyping with serial manufacturing. The company delivers unmanned aerial systems for combat missions, logistics and military reconnaissance. Airbus said the partnership reinforces the protection of Ukraine's airspace against drone and missile strikes. It also strengthens Ukraine's role as a European center for defense innovation. The initiative is intended to accelerate the European defense ecosystem. Airbus said it will combine system-level defense expertise with battle-proven technologies to support next-generation defense frameworks. Countering new threats by affordable saturation attacks with drones and other effectors across the European airspace requires technological agility, multinational interoperability, and the deployment of battle-tested capabilities, said Michael Schöllhorn, CEO of Airbus Defense and Space. This alliance with SkyFall bridges the gap between traditional defense systems and rapid-cycle innovation. Combining Airbus System of Systems and C2 expertise, especially in integrated air and missile defense (IAMD), with Ukraine's invaluable combat insights and field-proven technologies, is another building block in creating a resilient, multi-layered air defense ecosystem at the speed of the modern battlefield, Schöllhorn said. SkyFall chief executive Mykola Makoviev said the company's interceptors had already been used extensively in combat. He said the partnership with Airbus is aimed at developing new technologies for layered air defense. SkyFall interceptors have already neutralized over 10,000 Russian drones in live combat environments, validating the effectiveness of Ukrainian solutions in countering aerial threats. Partnering with Airbus, we are developing the next generation of technologies to establish a multi-layered air shield that will bolster the protection of Ukrainian skies and European airspace, commented Mykola Makoviev, CEO of SkyFall. Airbus said the joint initiative supports the goals of the European Sky Shield Initiative. It described ESSI as Europe's joint air defense framework and said the partnership also underlines the importance of European technological sovereignty. The alliance is also intended to strengthen collective deterrence and long-term industrial solidarity. Airbus said it will help bring advanced Ukrainian defense technologies to the European market. SkyFall operates an integrated corporate ecosystem that includes an advanced research and development center, scalable production lines and the SkyFall Academy. The academy provides expertise in deploying the company's combat-proven solutions. SkyFall develops and manufactures the Vampire drone, described by the company as a bomber nicknamed Barber Yager by the enemy and a foundation of Ukraine's unmanned force. The company also manufactures Shrike FPV first-person view drones, P-1 Sun Shard interceptors, communication systems and components. Airbus said SkyFall's engineering solutions operate effectively on the front line. The company said Ukrainian defenders have used SkyFall drones to destroy enemy personnel and equipment worth tens of billions of dollars. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.